You like not?
No, I must. I'm afraid. Emo. Emo. Come on, Mrs. Manson.
Oh, that's my name now.
Or like, what about Mrs. Copeland?
Mrs. Copeland, no, I prefer Mrs. Manson. Oh my god, I can play this.
I'm putting that on Facebook and like just tagging him in it.
What are you putting on Facebook?
This.
Okay.
And just like tag Paris in it.
Right there. That's where you need to tag. So, Miranda, I know that you've had emotional issues in the past. And I just want to know, how does that make you feel?
Fuck you.
I think we're really making progress. Oh my god. Watch me go talk to my best friend in the world.
Reply to your boyfriend.
Oh, okay, well, that's my name. First I gotta say hi to my best friend in the world, Pancake. Hey, Cookin. Oh, she loves me.
Let's ask Abby. Oh my god, her eyes! Holy crap! No! Not cool, bro!
Okay, stop it. Turn it off.